Hi everybody, I'm Danny. I'm here at Children's Museum and today I am joined by my friend Maya. Maya, you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Hi Maya. What grade are you starting very, very soon?
Fourth.
Fourth grade. Are you excited for fourth grade?
Yeah.
Have you had a really awesome summer though?
Yeah.
Excellent. I'm so glad to hear it. Well, I'm glad you're here at the museum with us today because we are getting ready for this Saturday. We're going to be doing an event all about Minions. Have you seen the Minions movie? Or Minions movies, I guess. I suppose there's a few of them. Do you have a favorite Minion?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite Minion?
Kevin.
Kevin. I couldn't remember any of their names. I was like, Gru. No, wait, he's not a Minion. Although he is my favorite. I really like him. All right, cool. Kev, I remember Kevin. Well, what we are going to be doing at the museum is making some mini Minion visors, these little hats here. So if you come and join us at the museum, this is what we'll have ready for you. If you want to do this at home, really it's actually pretty easy to draw this yourself. You just need sort of a hat or visor shape, which just has to have a curve to fit your head and then like a big old brim. And then if you add a black stripe here, this is going to be kind of like the Minion goggle. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the rest of the pieces here to make it look a little bit more Minion-esque. Minion-y. Minion-ese is the, yeah, we see where I'm going with this. So our first step is just going to be to cut out our Minion visor. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Me too. Let's do this. All right, so once your visor is cut out, what we want to do is we want to make the rest of that goggle piece. So again, here at the museum, we have a little bit of foil that we're just going to cut out in that same circle shape to put right here. And then in the middle of the foil, we're just going to cut out a little eyeball for our Minion. So we'll have a small circle to be the eyeball on top of a larger circle to be our foil. We'll show you what that looks like. All right, so now we have all of our separate pieces. All we need to do to assemble is to add a little bit of glue. We're gonna we're gonna glue our foil to the center of our visor, and then we're gonna glue our eye right on top of that. The last step, once we've glued everything in place, is just gonna be to punch a couple of holes at the ends of our visor and tie some string or some yarn or something like that through so that we can actually wear them. You ready to finish these up?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what they look like when they're done. It's us! I bet you thought it was a couple of Minions, right? You thought it was like Kevin and Bob, right? No, it's still us. It's still Danny and Maya. But now we have our mini Minion visors complete. And I think they look pretty cool. What do you think? I think I might have to wear this longer than just the day. I might have to keep this because it's still sunny outside. This is a practical thing that we've made. We're going to keep the sun out of our eyes. We're looking cool. And, you know, if we need to, we can go in disguise as Minions. Ready? Minion disguise. Back to ourselves. Back to Minions. Back to ourselves. It's hard to tell who's who, right? Maya, thank you very much for making these mini Minion visors with me and for helping show our friends at home how they can make theirs too. Absolutely. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys later. Bye.